Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a beautiful mint condition, near perfect 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali HD. This is a 6.6 diesel and turbo diesel with four-wheel drive, and this one is the owner's truck, so getting something that's very special and only selling due to an upgraded truck, so 2024, so there is zero issues, very well maintained. We know all the history of this vehicle inside and out, from the original owner to him as the second owner, and really special truck because this is not an auction vehicle, this is private sale, but very, very well kept, mint condition, all the services up to date. DPF has been replaced, DEF tank, 9th injector, it retains all of its stock emission systems, but all has been replaced. And then oil changes regularly, brand new tires up front, new tires in the rear within the last year, tinted windows, automatic headlights, fog lights, front and rear park assist, front and rear towing. Beautifully running 6.6 diesel. Everything always on time with this truck. Just absolutely stunning pedigree. No fears or scares. We know all the history, and it's near perfect. It's only being sold just due to a brand new truck being purchased. So Allison transmission, Duramax diesel. Comes with the running boards, chrome package, power folding side view mirrors, full leather interior with one little scrape here. Second owner did that, but power windows, locks, mirrors, seats, rear sliding glass, nice Denali logos embossed in the headrests, original owner's manual, nice clean dashboard, ice cold AC, and then it comes with heated and ventilated front seats, comes with exhaust brake, hill descent, lane keep assist, power pedals, front collision assistance, all the USB, all the plugs, everything's working. And then in the center console, more USB, more connectivity, dual cup holders, LED interior room lighting. These are fixed running boards, the nice alloy wheels, the nice Denali wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, all the factory floor mats, center console fold-down armrests with dual cup holders. This is also a Florida vehicle, no rust, never been out of the state. Towed a fifth wheel for only about a year back in 2015, so it still has its brackets, but it has not been towing fifth wheels, so transmission is in perfect health. Comes with a spare tire, and when you do the DPF, you replace the whole exhaust system. So that was a $5,000 service through the dealer that we conducted, so no fears on this truck, no major maintenance needed. Exterior's in beautiful condition, always washed, always covered in a covered garage its whole life. Some minor wear here on the bolster and then on the back of the seat there, but as far as any wear and tear goes, that's pretty much it. Some light wear here on that window tint. Dual memory seat settings, power windows, locks, mirrors, folding mirrors, as well as four-wheel drive, automatic lights, trailer braking assist. And then it comes with the front collision assistance, the heated steering wheel, automatic front lights, interval front wipers, no warning lights on the dash. Perfect oil pressure. It's a perfect truck. I mean, you need nothing. It's hard to sell and say that to a lot of these vehicles, but this one is there. I mean, we know everything about it. It's the owner's truck. It comes with a navigation system, Bluetooth, backup camera, everything working. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. It's not something we can normally buy in the auto auction because, you know, you just don't know the history of the diesel trucks. They're a little edgy to buy, but comes with the dual climate control settings. AC works perfectly, and then the ventilated seats, the heated seats, and then you got, you know, your lane keep assist, all your current safety systems. Just no blind spot detection for this is the only thing it really doesn't have. But it has a brand new replaced windshield. We just replaced that due to a crack that developed in it. So We've serviced it very, very regularly. So this is technically a manager's special vehicle because, you know, you're getting it from the actual owner of it. And so it comes with that nice Bose sound system. And like I said, everything's working. This is not a pedigree of truck we get often, so take this rare opportunity to get one of the most well cared for, highly sought after diesel trucks on the market. This beautiful 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali HD turbo diesel, 4-wheel drive, brand new tires, remote start, ready to go. You can find this beautiful 2015 Sierra exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.